Hello, everybody. This is Val.
This is how we do it.
Hello, my beautiful people. This is Val. This is how you do it. I'm going to take that bacon and these patties here, and I'm going to put them in my air fryer and cook them. I'm going to grease this pan here with some spray. You can get it at Walmart, anywhere. And I'm going to place some biscuits on this tray here. Regular biscuits. You can have homemade biscuits or canned biscuits. It's up to you. Just place them right here on this tray. And then we're gonna pop them into the air fryer. I'm gonna put the air fryer on bake. Like you can make toast in the air fryer, or you can make and pizza and things like that. So I'm gonna put it on bake at 350 degrees, just like you would do in a conventional oven, for about 20 minutes. It's gonna be right here on pizza bake, and it's gonna be on bake, and then I'm gonna put it in for 20 minutes, and then we'll see what's going to happen with that. I have found that if you put it on air fry and grill, it cooks better. The grill part is at the bottom where the meat is, and air frying is where the biscuits are, so you can do two things at one time. Now it's cooking better since it's on air fry and grill. See how quickly it cooks? Just take, now we have to turn the bacon and the sauces. Flip it over like that. Let's look at the bread, see how it's looking. It looks like it may be ready. Got about 5 more minutes on the grill there. We're gonna close it back up and let it do what it do, and then we're gonna take them out. Okay, all my people, it's time to take it out. I'm gonna top this with some butter, and that's gonna be fine. Take the bacon out, and we'll see all you beautiful, beautiful people on the next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that everything button. But the way to do the bacon and the biscuits at the same time is put it on air fry and grill at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. That's air fry and grill. Okay, and I see all you beautiful, beautiful people on the next video. Let me take this bacon up so you can get a closer look at it. Alrighty now. It's a done deal. Bye-bye, y'all.
Look at that look. You, but do what you do.